Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make bone broth for dogs. This nutritious supplement supports your dog's joint health and digestion. First, gather your ingredients, including 2 to 3 pounds of bones from beef, chicken, or turkey. You'll also need a splash of apple cider vinegar and optional vegetables like carrots or celery. These simple items are the foundation for a healthy, homemade treat your dog will love. Now, let's prepare your ingredients for cooking. For a richer flavor, you can roast your bones at 400 degrees Fahrenheit for 20 to 30 minutes. This step is optional but highly recommended. After roasting, transfer the bones to a large stock pot. Then, cover the bones with 1 to 2 inches of filtered water, ensuring they are fully submerged. This sets the stage for a delicious and nutrient-rich broth. The simmering process is crucial for extracting all the beneficial nutrients. Add 2 tablespoons of apple cider vinegar to the pot. This helps draw minerals from the bones. Bring the mixture to a boil, then immediately reduce the heat to a low simmer. Let it cook for 12 to 24 hours, skimming any foam that rises to the surface. A long, slow simmer ensures a potent and flavorful broth. Once your bone broth has cooled, it's time for storage and serving. Strain the broth thoroughly to remove all bones and vegetable pieces, leaving only the liquid. You can refrigerate the broth for up to 5 days or freeze it in ice cube trays for several months. Serve 1 to 2 tablespoons daily over your dog's food or offer it as a special, healthy treat. Your dog will thank you.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.